In this video, you will learn how to add page border in Word. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. First, open your Microsoft Word document. It can be a new blank document or any file you are already working on. Now, look at the top of your screen. You will see different tabs like Home, Insert, Design, and more. Click on the Design tab. If you're using an older version of Microsoft Word, you might see Layout or Page Layout instead. Click on that. After clicking Design, look for the option called Page Borders. It is usually inside the Page Background section. Click on Page Borders. A new box will open. This box is called Borders and Shading. Make sure you are on the Page Border tab. If not, click on it. Now you will see different border options. To add a simple border around your page, click on Box. This is the most basic and commonly used border style. It adds a simple line around your page. You can now customize your border. You will see options like Style, this changes the type of line, Color, this changes the color of the border, and Width, this changes how thick the border line is. If you want a bold and strong border, increase the width. If you want something simple and clean, keep it thin. On the right side, you will see a preview box. This shows how your border will look before you apply it. If you want something more stylish, you can choose Shadow, adds a shadow effect, 3D, gives a 3D look, or Custom, which allows you to control each side of the border separately. If you select Custom, you can click on individual sides in the preview box. For example, if you don't want a bottom border, just click on the bottom line in the preview and it will disappear. Click again to add it back. Once you are happy with your design, click OK. Now you will see the border applied to your document. By default, Word applies the border to all pages, but what if you want it only on one page? Go back to Page Borders. At the bottom, you will see an option called Apply To. Click the drop-down menu. You can choose this section to apply it only to the current page, this section First Page Only, this section All Except First Page. Choose the option you need and then click OK. And that's it. You have successfully added a page border in Microsoft Word. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who is learning Microsoft Word. See you in the next tutorial.